Today's vehicle is different. It's what I believe to be a 1971 Ford Econoline van, a customized one, a high rider, beach buggy, wagon, off-road camper, whatever you want to call it. It was neat because it was a shorty van with no windows and had all the off-road equipment on it, but it's just a two-wheel drive, a rear-wheel drive one. But had a good look to it, and somebody dumped a ton of money in it, so I figured I would show it. Figured somebody out there might like it, and I thought it was neat. And I filmed it at my local classic car cruise night in San Diego, California, and definitely an eye catcher, that's for sure. But that's today's vehicle of the day, a 1971 customized Ford Econoline van, made into a off-road buggy, camper, surf wagon, whatever you want to call it. But if you made it to the end of the video, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. If you made it to the end of the video, thank you very much for watching. I appreciate it. If you can share this video and my channel, Truck Finder, with a friend, or share it on your group page if you have one, I would appreciate it. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos. This will take you over to my channel page, Truck Finder, and you can look for something else that looks interesting to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.